Sheet pan recipes have recently become my new favorite method to prepare meals. What can be better? You put together your ingredients, you throw them on a sheet pan, and when they're done, in this case, 15 to 20 minutes, your entire meal is prepared. No stirring, no adding ingredients, no watching the stove. A recipe this delicious shouldn't be this easy, but I promise it is. So if you want to know the last chicken fajita recipe you will ever need, stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Welcome to Keto Craft Kitchen, your source for the best keto, low carb, and healthy recipes. I'm super excited to share today's sheet pan recipe with you. Sheet pan recipes are incredible. They're easy, convenient, and can yield some really delicious results. And this chicken fajita version is the last fajita recipe you will ever need. And you could use these store-bought low-carb tortilla wraps, which are filled with a bunch of ingredients. But since discovering Cook with Mel's incredible recipe for zero carb, flourless, egg white tortilla wraps, I'll never look back. They have the look, feel, and texture of a traditional tortilla, but zero carbs and only a couple ingredients. And the best part, they taste amazing. Cook with Mel's video on how to prepare these will be linked in the description, so be sure to check it out. Oh, and in case you were wondering, each serving yields 16 grams of protein, only 3.9 grams of carbs. So I'll stop talking and just walk you through it. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Now, you want to make the marinade for your chicken, which will consist of 4 tablespoons of avocado oil, the zest of 1 lime, the juice of 1 lime, 1 to 2 chipotle peppers out of a can like this, depending on the level of spiciness you want, 1 for less spicy, 2 for spicier, and roughly chop those. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, and a dash of crushed black pepper. Now give that a quick mix and set it aside. Now take 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut those into 1/2-inch slices. Add your chicken to the prepared marinade and give it a quick stir. Set that aside and prepare the coating for your vegetables, which will consist of 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a dash of crushed black pepper. Mix that and set it aside. Now it's time to prepare your vegetables for your sheet pan fajitas, which will consist of 3 bell peppers, any color combination you prefer, cut in to 1/4-inch strips, and 1 large red onion, also cut into 1/4-inch strips. Now add all your vegetables into your coating mixture and give it a stir. Now line 2 sheet pans with aluminum foil. Put the chicken on 1 sheet pan and the vegetables on the other. And put both sheet pans in the oven 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken's cooked through and the vegetables are tender. An optional step is to broil the vegetables on high for an extra 1 or 2 minutes to give it a charred taste. Now build your fajitas and enjoy. So I try to keep these simple, some sharp cheddar, some diced avocado, some fresh lime, and cilantro. Let's just go for it. These are so good. If you need an easy dinner idea, you need to make these like now. The sheet pan recipe is a game changer, and Cook with Mel's Zero Carb Wraps goes with these perfectly. Now I'm not trying to be rude, but I really just want to go and finish these. If you know someone who would enjoy this easy sheet pan recipe, please share the video. Don't forget to check out Mel's video in the description for her zero carb, flourless, egg white tortilla wraps. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen, out. If you want an awesome snack idea, be sure to check out my keto blueberry muffin video. And be sure to check out all my keto recipes on my keto playlist. And don't forget to subscribe.